let's do some landscaping for the house we've just built. You can see it here. We went and got our materials from our local supply store. We got some landscape timbers here, and we're covering 36 feet this way, 24 feet that way. Just do like a 3 or 4 foot bed out, and we got 2 yards of mulch, which was, I think it was 25 bags. That ran us like $240 or something like that. So should look a whole lot nicer and give us some curb appeal for a pretty cheap price. This is our before video. We've got a little mat down to keep grass from ever going through. So we have our string pulled down here, so you can see it's, make sure it's nice and straight when you do this. And what you're going to do to secure these, you can use rebar or all thread. If you got any kind of metal pole, just drill you a hole in there.
Hold on, that's got to be pulled. Not there.
All right. There you can see.
So
held it down in the ground good.
The authorized holding it down.
We have this awesome 3 foot by 4 foot square. I think that's what it is. I'll put a link for it in the description. You can get it on Amazon. Well worth the money. So now we know that this thing is square. We're just going to pound 2 of our stakes in per, whatever these things are called, per landscape timber, and then you screw one down on top of it like that, and it sucks them together and kind of levels out your ground without you having to do so much digging. Alright, so here's what we've got now. A nice clean mulch bed, a walkway coming up. I'm just going to take and rake this out. So you can see here we have our landscaping project wrapped up. Got a nice gravel walkway. Got our mulch bed that goes down the side, comes around over here. Well, that's about it for this project. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content.